That sound. That smell. It's what separates a good weekend from a legendary one. But with so many grills claiming to be the best, how do you choose? We didn't just read the specs. We got our hands dirty. We fired up the 5 most legendary outdoor grills of 2025 and put them through hell. From low and slow brisket to searing the perfect steak, we tested everything. And what we discovered didn't just surprise us, it completely redefined what we thought was possible in our own backyards. All the links to get your own grill are in the video description. Let's light this fire. Starting at number 1. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. Best charcoal. Weber introduced their iconic kettle in 1956. It has a porcelain enameled lid and body that gives it a premium shine and feel and has proved to be rust-resistant over the years. Overall, it's lightweight and can be rolled around easily. The handles stay cool to the touch when using them, and a shield on the top of the lid helps protect your fingers from accidentally touching the hot surface. The lid can be hung on the grill when not in use. In our tests, we could heat the grill evenly and easily with lit coals, cook a delicious smoky steak, and then 4 chicken thighs. The coals can easily be positioned to create 2 cooking areas, one for direct cooking and one for indirect cool. The ash collector on this model is enclosed to prevent mess. There's limited storage. Number 2. Weber Spirit 4-Burner Grill E425. Best gas. Weber updated their line of Spirit grills this year. One of the main differences includes a new way to light the grill. Instead of turning the knobs and pressing the igniter, each knob is now equipped with auto-ignite for a one-step lighting process. This version, most comparable to the popular Spirit 2 E310, has 4 burners, a sear zone that spans half of the cooking zone and enclosed storage space. It's also a bit more powerful with 5,000 extra BTUs. This grill's side shelves are sturdy with a glossy finish and have tool holders on either side. The handle is also now made of stainless steel instead of plastic and has a heavier feel. The grates are porcelain enameled like those on Weber's gas grills. The steak cooked quickly, and the chicken cooked evenly in our tests. We also utilized the sear zone to grill some peppers and onions, which charred nicely and developed a lot of delicious flavor. Grill food that tastes better than ever on the reinvented 4-burner, Black Spirit E425 gas grill with sear zone. Create bold, flavorful sear marks on meat, fish, and vegetables with 2 red boost burner knobs that unleash 40% more power in the sear zone. This propane gas grill allows you to ignite each individual burner easily with one hand with snapjet ignition and control the heat precisely with a full range of temperatures from high to low and everything in between. Your family and friends will appreciate the variety of dishes now possible at your next barbecue or party. For tool hooks, keep spatulas and tongs close at hand when you're cooking up burgers for a crowd, and a cabinet with door hides your propane tank and grilling accessories. Number 3. Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. Best portable. Our best overall portable grill is a Weber. It's ideal for small spaces or bringing on the go. It has a relatively large cooking area and gets nice and hot, plus it works with both a small propane tank and a standard-sized one, depending on your needs. In our tests, it heated evenly and made good steak and chicken thighs with no flare-ups. It has a built-in thermometer and an oversized handle that stayed cool during use. The side shelves, which most portable grills don't feature, fold in when the grill is not in use. It's lightweight compared to other portable grills we tested and can be carried by one person. Now you can explore the world with big taste and the black Weber Q1200 portable gas grill by your side. Travel on or off the beaten path, camp in the woods or near the shore. Go hiking in nature with an outdoor camping grill as attractive as the scenery. Weber has you covered when it comes to grilling on the go. The porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grates and stainless steel burner are durable and made to last. Number 4. Traeger Ironwood 885. Best pellet. Pellet grills are electric smokers powered by pellets, compressed pieces of wood that look like rabbit food. They can reach low temperatures and cook for hours without you checking on them. They can also be used to bake food at higher temperatures and even grill around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, although they usually don't produce the best sear marks. Traeger's Ironwood 885 is one of our favorite pellet grills. It's sturdy but straightforward in design. In our tests, it cooked ribs nicely, leaving behind a subtle smoke ring. It also cooked a reverse seared steak well and was some of the best brisket we ever tasted. It connects to an app, which monitors the ambient temperature and the internal temperature of your food, thanks to a couple of included probes and the pellet level. Unlock true wood-fired cooking potential with the Traeger Ironwood 885 wood pellet grill and smoker. Designed for outdoor grilling enthusiasts who demand both performance and flavor, this advanced pellet smoker grill delivers consistent results across a variety of cooking styles. With a spacious 885 square in cooking area, it's perfect for hosting large gatherings, cooking up to 10 whole chickens or 7 racks of ribs at once. Number 5. Kamado Joe Classic Joe 2. Best Kamado. Kamado grills are known for their excellent temperature retention and ability to reach really high temps. That means they can smoke food for hours at temps around 200 degrees Fahrenheit and get as hot as 750 degrees Fahrenheit for a nice sear. Like other Kamado grills, this one from Kamado Joe is egg-shaped with thick, ceramic walls. It stands out in the category for the brand's attention to detail. The handle and side shelves are made of plastic material that won't wear over time like competitors, the rim of the base allows for a soft close and a good seal, and the vent on the top of the grill is labeled. It also comes with a 2-tiered grilling grate to control your grilling experience better, add or move coals around when needed, a grate removal tool, an ash removal tool and a pull-out ashtray. The wheeled stand helps move it around, as it's very heavy. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 includes new innovation, featuring a thick-walled, heat-resistant shell that locks in smoke and moisture at any temperature. Smoke at 225°F with precise temperature control using our control tower top vent or ramp up the fire to 750°F and sear with direct charcoal-flavored heat on the 2-tier divide and conquer grill system. The Kamado Joe Classic 2 charcoal grill is compatible with a robust range of Kamado Joe accessories and grilling surfaces, providing you premium results for any type of grilling or smoking that it is called upon. So there you have it, the ultimate breakdown to find your perfect grilling partner. No matter your budget or style, one of these champions will make you the hero of every barbecue. If this guide helped you find your flame, please fuel the channel by hitting that like button, share this with your fellow grill masters, and subscribe for more content that helps you live better. Now get out there and make some memories, one perfect steak at a time.